children.
Hello, dear children. Today I will tell you about mixed numbers. It is a very interesting topic that will help you understand mathematics better. Our forest animals want to learn this too, so listen carefully. The badger and the fawn met on the meadow. The badger was digging a tunnel as usual, while the fawn was dreaming about beautiful flowers. The badger asked the fawn what mixed numbers are. The fawn, unsure, replied that maybe they are numbers that mix together like colors. The badger agreed, but I had to explain to them that mixed numbers are a combination of a whole number and a fraction. The bear and the hedgehog were talking about mixed numbers. The bear, although slow, knew that mixed numbers are more than just numbers. The hedgehog shyly asked how it works. The bear explained that a mixed number is, for example, 1 and 1/2, which means one whole number in half. I added that this is very useful when we want to count things that are not whole. The bunny and the squirrel met to test their knowledge. I gave them a task to provide a mixed number. The bunny, full of energy, answered that it is, for example, 2 3/4. The squirrel, always on the move, added that it is like having 2 whole nuts and 3/4 of another. Both animals answered correctly, which made me very happy. In summary, mixed numbers are a combination of a whole number and a fraction. With them, we can better understand how to count things that are not whole. I hope you now know what mixed numbers are and how to use them. See you next time, dear children.